I found this burlap canvas 12 by 12 at Hobby Lobby for $6.99 with 40% off. I'm really enjoying the different canvas that you can get over in that section, especially with the sales. You get a great platform for many crafts. I also found this hand towel. It has lavender in a bucket, also at Hobby Lobby. I cannot remember what I paid, but it was on sale, 40% off. I want to say something like $9.99 with 40% off. I'm using this block of wood just to help me get straight lines. It's an 8 by 8 block of wood. And I'm using pinking shears to cut out my image. Once my image was cut out, I went back to the canvas board and made sure my image was center. Using Mod Podge, a Gen foam brush, and a little piece of tape to just make sure that my image doesn't shift, I lifted half my image up and applied the Mod Podge right to the canvas and laid my image back down. This method is the easiest to make sure your image doesn't shift. You want to make sure you get all the edges so that your image is completely down on that half. Then you can lift the other half up and just make sure all your edges are down. And at this point, I'm going to take Mod Podge and apply it to the entire image and the rest of the burlap canvas. Once dried, I'm going to flip it over, and I grabbed these wooden beads that I had. Using tacks, I tacked it to the back of my burlap canvas, and I'm going to use that as a hanger. And I had some gingham ribbon. And I created a bow using some jute. Trim that up a little bit and just hot glued it to the front of my bucket. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. For any brushes, paint, or transfers, go check us out at chalkitupfancy.com. We do have chalkitupfancy.blog. Thank you so much for watching.